So the first thing I got was this cute canvas. This is an ostrich. I also got a llama, which I already have hanging in my bathroom. It is so cute. It is about 8 by 8 and about a ½ inch thick, and I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of three-dimensional in certain places. But the cutest thing. It goes with my bathroom so well. I'll try to put a clip of the llama into the video as well. The next thing I got was, I picked up this really cute, I love the black and white check gingham look now. Kitchens are made for families together. I love this little, it's like, you know, I guess it's press wood, I don't know, but it'd be great for DIY, but I'm just going to put it up. I really like it. So the next thing I got is a tin. It's almost like a license plate looking, but I got this for DIY. It says good morning starts with coffee, but it is metal, so I'm going to do a DIY with this one. And the next thing I got was one of these square candle holders. And I also got, I don't know if you can see it because my comforter is so bright, but one of the square candle holder Trivets. And this is one of the small little mixing bowls. And I saw in one of my YouTube influencers that I follow, and I'll link her channel down below. She made herself a glue stick stand by gluing this onto the trivet, and that way you can put your glue stick. Of course mine's gonna fall over. Sorry, I'm shooting this with my cell phone, so I only have one hand, but it just goes in there like that. So that keeps your table all neat and keeps the glue intact. And I did have to go get my E6000 because I tried to glue it with just the hot glue, and yeah, glass doesn't like that, so I put a more permanent fixture there. But anyways, and I got this beautiful, I'm so into this color right now, so I got this beautiful candle holder in this teal turquoise-ish color. And I also got, if you don't have one of these, rush out to your Dollar Tree and get one right now, because I have one that I bought from Home Depot a long time ago, and I got this one for my son's bathroom because it is the best. These little spikes, you just put it in your drain in your sink or your bathtub and push it down, give it a little pull up, and all the gunk and stuff, you'll be surprised how much hair it traps on it, and then you just wipe the other way and clean it and just keep it under your bathroom sink. It's handy, and the Dollar Tree has them now for $1. You can't go wrong with this. I mean, it's very handy. I also got some more of these little baskets. I'm going to do a DIY with those. I need some more organizing, so I love those. I got this, is new. Nivea is a great moisturizer, and I got this one in vanilla caramel. It's a silk mousse body wash, and oh my gosh, I can tell you it smells so good. There was a strawberry and another, I want to say clean linen ocean mist, something like that. It was blue. So check that out and see if your Dollar Tree has those. That's really exciting. These would be great to put in Christmas gifts too. Like if you're making a Bath and Body basket, this is different because it's a mousse. I think it's really cool. Okay, my obsession with this color continues. So I got this tray. It's just one of their plastic summer trays. I'm going to put legs on it or make it a shelf. I haven't decided yet. I've got 3 of these. So I'll let you know when I DIY that. The next thing I got was the big platter in the same color. And what I'm going to do with this is make it into a table with these. I have 3 of these Dollar Tree paper towel holders, and you just bend them slightly. And then, I don't know if I can show you this with one hand, like I said. It's really hard. Okay, so like that will be in the bottom, and it will be like one of the table legs. Does that make sense? I'll put the video, the DIY video on here if you guys like that. Just let me know in the comments if you want to see that. I'm really jumbled and all over the place this morning. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this out. The next thing I got was they always had this, but it's so great. The Epsom salts bags. I prefer the ones that are not scented. The other ones are way scented. But that's just me because I have sinus issues, as you can probably hear from my voice right now. But I love to soak my feet in these. Oh my gosh, it's so relaxing. And the other things that I got this Kiss gel. Oh my gosh. This stuff is awesome. It lasts for a long time, and for only $1, I mean, you know, it's great. I really like it. Of course, I don't have any on my fingernails right now. Speaking of which, this didn't come from the Dollar Tree, but I know they carry a lot of LA colors, so I'm looking out for this. I got this at Walmart for $3. It's 33 pieces. They had other neon colors. Comes with the nail glue, so, you know, because of COVID, we're still getting back into going to the nail salons and stuff. But I thought I would just go ahead and put on some glue on nails and try to feel pretty for a little while. You know, maybe. Alright, so that's pretty much it for my Dollar Tree haul today. And, oh, I did get these. I'm going to be making a DIY. These are they're the dessert little glasses that are in the party aisle, and I will be making beauty brush holders out of these, so I'll show you that DIY later. It's really simple. I'm trying to make me a little beauty corner in my house. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. This is not one of my best videos, but we will have a lot more for you. Have a great Saturday. Thanks.